Now let's see the lost color come out. Okay, we finished the job for lost color already. So now let's see the color. And the painting result is shining and strong or not. We can check it. 拿个刀片过来，等一下刮一刮，对吧 ？Okay, see this is the lost color, or we say the pink color. This one is the original one. First, we will paint the slider to be the white color, to be the base surface. In order to, when you paint this slider to be another color, it's easy. Okay, so we can see. See, it's very shining. Okay, and looks very good. So you can see the corner. Every position, it has been very well already. Without the broken or weird position. No, all the positions are very good. So if you want to know how to paint the slider such as our this quality, you are welcome to contact us. So you can see it's very shining.